Hello, sir. Today I'm going to do the second experiment of the data structure lab. It is a stack operations, which basically includes five operations: push, pop, peep, display, and exit. First, I've taken include IO_stream, which is the main which is the header file for CPP programs. Using namespace std to call all the library files, I've declared a global variable defined size 5, which means the size of the stack is 5. I've declared two more global variables, that is int top equals to -1. Top is the topmost element of the stack, which I've initialized to -1. I've declared four variables here, namely I, n, item, and stack of 5. 5 is the size of the stack. I've taken five functions here: int push, pop, peep, display, and exit. Inside int main, that is the main function, I've taken int item n and I. I've taken char ch. In cout, it will be displayed as stack operations. Inside, I've taken a do while loop, inside which it will be given select an operation to be performed. The first is push, second is pop, third is peep, fourth is display, and fifth is exit. The input given will be taken inside the switch case. In the switch case, the five operations are given as five cases. Case 1 will be push, case 2 will be pop, case 3 will be peep, case 4 will be display, and case 5 will be exit. And then the default will be enter the option from 1 to 5, as only that is a valid option. After this, I've taken cout as do you want to continue. If we take y, I've taken inside this value if the condition is a character equals to y. If we give an input of y, then it will continue. Otherwise, it will get terminated. Inside these functions, I've taken int push. I've initialized top equals to 5. I've given like top, if top equals to 5 in if else condition, the stack will be full because the stack size of the stack is 5. Else I've taken cout, enter the value to be stored. Cin will be an item. Top will be incremented by 1 each time a value is inputted. Stack top will be an item. Int pop is to pop out the topmost element of the stack. If I've taken an if else condition here, if the top equals to -1, the output will be the stack is empty. Else, it will show the topmost element of the stack. That is, stack of top will be displayed and the top will be decremented by 1. In display, here it will display all the elements of the stack. If top equals to -1, then the stack is empty. Else, I've taken a for loop here so that all the elements in the stack are displayed. If I equals to 1, the condition I is initialized to 1, and the condition is I is less than or equal to top, then I is incremented by 1. It will be displayed stack of I. Inside the peep operation, I've taken item equals to stack of top, and I've taken an if else condition. If top equals to -1, stack is empty. Else, the topmost value, the peep for the peep function, the topmost value will be displayed. The topmost value is item. Item equals to stack of top, which I've already initialized here. Okay, now let's run the program. Here, select an operation to be performed. Take it as 1. That is push. Value to be stored, taken as 12. I'm taking y to continue. Again, I'll push one more. Enter the value to be stored. This time I'll take 23. We want to continue y. I'll push again. Okay. Now I'll pop the topmost element 2. Now the topmost element 4 the topmost element 4 has been popped out. We want to continue y. Now I'll push again an element, namely 5. And now I will peep. Topmost element is 5. Now the next operation will be displayed. Now the only left are only 23 and 5. After which I'll give continue again and 5 will be exit. Thank you.